Brief profile of the bank. The bank has registered in the year 1977 and commenced the operations on 9th August 1978, popularly known as Mahesh Bank, with about 29,000 shareholders. The bank has conferred scheduled status by the RBI in the year 1996 and became the first multi-state scheduled bank in the South India in the year 2001. Today, we are here with declaring the performance highlights of the bank for the year ended March 2011. The profit before tax increased from rupees 19.33 crores to rupees 21.43 crores. The total business has increased from rupees 1243.09 crores to rupees 1513.20 crores. The deposits have increased from rupees 780.85 crores to rupees 907.58 crores, registering a growth of rupees 121.73 crores, that is 15.49%. Advances have increased from rupees 457.24 crores to rupees 605.62 crores, registering a growth of rupees 148.37 crores, that is 32.45%. The gross income of the bank increased from rupees 97.65 crores to 107.86 crores, registering an increase of 10.21 crores. Net interest income increased from 39.41 crores to 50.07 crores. Capital and reserves of the bank stands at rupees 144 crores as against 131.46 crores last year. The working capital of the bank increased from rupees 938.66 crores to rupees 1075.82 crores, registering a growth of rupees 137.16 crores, that is 14.61%. The net NPA of the bank continued to be 0%. The credit deposit ratio stands at 66.73%. The capital adequacy ratio is 20.88% as against 9% prescribed by the Reserve Bank of India. Business per employee has increased from rupees 2.72 crores to rupees 3.22 crores. Bank's network increased to 34 and opening 2 more branches shortly at Attapur and Banjara Hills in Hyderabad. 24% dividend paid last year to its shareholders. Reserve Bank of India acceded to the request of the bank to extend its area of operations to the entire state of Maharashtra, Rajasthan and Gujarat. The bank's head office is accredited with ISO 9001-2008 certification. Core banking, anywhere banking facility to serve about more than 3 lakhs customers. First cooperative bank in the state to offer direct RTGS facility from our own platform. Net banking facility for extending expeditious service. Instant money transfer facility from abroad through Western Union money transfer. Point of sale services for traders. First cooperative bank in the state to introduce mutual fund business tie-up with Reliance Capital Asset Management Company Limited. Life insurance solutions. ATM facility at select branches.